Oh yeah. Oh, got that air pumping, boy. We got our air at, man. They got a little camera right here. Hey, brother. Is this a camera right here?
Camera. I think walk inside something.
Okay. Man, y'all. I think this is gonna be the new ride, bro. The black and yellow spec, baby. Y'all see 200 miles on this bad boy. 289 miles. It don't even need no exhaust, I don't think. Man, it's so loud. It doesn't even need exhaust. I was just saying.
It suits you, man.
Right. It doesn't even need nothing, man. I'm loving it, bro. Where's the convertible buttons at? Okay. Yeah, right here and here. I love that paint too, man.
Let's make a deal, bro. This is the best one.
You wanna
Look at the front lights.